Okay, so good morning, or actually good noon, everyone. So right now, we're going to discuss the parts of a triangle or this is just a review of the previous topic because some of you did not attend our first class. So here's our objectives. We identify the six trigonometric ratios, demonstrate the first three trigonometric ratios, and explain the six trigonometric ratios. Okay, let's have a review time. Hmm. What are the kinds of triangles according to their angles? Okay, sige na. I will give you 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay, please write. Okay, so here are the types of triangles according to their angles. We have acute angle, here, angle. Next, we have obtuse angle. Next, right angle. Okay, I have a question. What is the measure of a right angle? Okay, ang measure ng right angle natin is 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees, okay? Next, what is the measure of an obtuse angle? Ang measure ng obtuse angle natin is greater than 90. Nakikita ba? Greater than 90. Ito po. Greater than 90. Next, what is the measure of acute angle? Ang acute angle natin is less than. Ito ang symbol ng less than. Less than 90 degrees. Okay? Draw time. Okay? Please magdodraw tayo ng right angle. Okay? Let's label it. So, what are the three parts of a triangle? Ano nga ba yung tatlong parts ng triangle? Mhm. Hypotenuse, hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. Okay? Let's start with the hypotenuse. Pag sinabi nating hypotenuse, this is the longest side of the triangle. Okay? For example, this right angle. Okay? What is the hypotenuse? Or where is the hypotenuse of this right angle? Udi po. Okay? Etong longest side. Ito ha. This is the hypotenuse. Itong longest side na ito. Yan. Longest side. Ito. Hypotenuse siya. Next. Adjacent side naman. Yung adjacent side naman is next to a given angle. Ito ang given angle natin. Given angle ito. Or ito. Okay? Ang adjacent side natin is here. Kulang ng T. Ito po ang adjacent side natin. Ito ang hypotenuse. Ito ang adjacent. How about opposite? Ang opposite naman is one across. Pag sinabi ito yung across, kaharap ng isang angle. Okay? For example, ito. May angle tayo dito. Ito po ang opposite natin. Itong side na to. Itong side na to. Since ito ang opposite natin, ito ang hypotenuse, ito naman yung adjacent. Yan na po. Kung napapansin nyo, ang symbol na ito, ang tawag sa kanya is theta. Ang theta, or etong symbol na ito, is angle yan. Okay? Yan yung sinasabi kong angle. Okay? Angle siya. Okay? Angle. Kung nasaan yung ito, ang across niya is opposite, okay? Ang katabi nito, angle, itong adjacent. Okay, next. Remember, in the world of trigonometry, the two legs, yung sinasabi kong legs dito is yung opposite or yung adjacent. Okay? The two legs daw, itong opposite tapos adjacent, can either be opposite or adjacent depending on the position. Ito ha, depending on the position of our angle, which is represented by theta. Kung nasaan daw itong theta na to, for example, dito ang theta, ang across niyang side is what we called opposite. Okay? Ito. Nandito yung theta natin. Nandito yung theta natin. Ang across na side niya, ang tawag sa kanya is opposite. Samantala, yung katabi niya, eto, adjacent to. Paano naman kung dito, sa taas ngayon, si theta? Again, si theta is angle siya. Angle. Angle po siya. Ibig sabihin ng angle, may given value siya. Okay? If dito, si theta natin, ibig sabihin, nandito na yung opposite side natin. Okay? Nandito na yung opposite side natin. At ito naman yung adjacent side natin. Okay? Next. How about ito? Ano kaya ang or nasaan kaya ang ating theta? Nandito sa C. Okay? Nasaan naman si opposite? Ang opposite natin is nandito. Kasi nandito yung theta. Ito yung opposite natin. Opposite. Ito naman yung adjacent natin. Ito naman yung hypotenuse. Sana na-gets, okay? Next. After we finish the parts of a triangle, let's now proceed to trigonometric ratios. So, itong trigonometric ratios na to, this is the fundamental parts of trigonometry. Okay, so what are the 6 trigonometric ratios? Ano kaya yung 6? Po. Sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. But we're going to focus muna dito sa tatlong to. Sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay? Sine, cosine, and tangent. Dito mo tayo mag-focus ha, ditong tatlo. Ibibigay ko yung formula. Ito tandaan natin. Ito ang formula ng sine. Ang sine daw is opposite over hypotenuse. Or ganito yan. Sine theta. Ang tawag dito, trigo ratio. Okay, trigo ratio. Katabi niyan is angle. Ito, ang angle is yung theta. Yan ang katabi niyan always ng trigo ratio. Kapag may trigo ratio, dapat may angle yan. Kung walang given na angle, ilalagay nyo lang is theta. Okay? Sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Next, cos. Pag cos naman, ang tawag sa kanya is cosine theta. Again, ang angle or ang tawag dito is trigonometric ratio. Ang trigonometric ratio may katabi siyang angle. Always siyang may katabing angle. Okay? So, ganito yan. Cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Itong adjacent over hypotenuse is opposite over hypotenuse. Ito, makikita natin yan dun sa figure. Okay? Next, last. Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay. Tandaan nyo lang po itong tatlong formulang ito, ha? Or ang tawag sa kanya is, ito. Para mas lalang matandaan nyo, ito. Sine is equal, ibig sabihin, Sine, S, ito, opposite, O over hypotenuse. So, okay? Next, cosine theta, C, adjacent, A, hypotenuse, H, Ka. Next, tan, next, opposite, ito opposite, next, adjacent, TOA. Ito ang tandaan nyo, so, ka, TOA. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay? SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Dito. Kapag nasa N, yung theta, alin dyan ang opposite? Tama. Ito ang opposite. Ito yung adjacent. Ito ang hypotenuse. Kapag sinabi kong find sine n, kapag sinabi kong find sine n, ano nga yung sine? Pag sine n, so, opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Yung opposite natin, bali, answer natin is sine n is equal to, ang opposite natin is n. Ito ang opposite natin. N is equal to n over, ang hypotenuse natin is m. Okay. Okay, how about cosine? Cosine n. Oh. Pag cosine n naman, ano ang formula ng cosine? Ka. Adjacent. Ito, adjacent over hypotenuse. Bale, ang answer natin is cosine n is equal to, ano ang a natin? Ito, k. K. Ang h natin is m. Ito ang answer. Next, yung last. TOA. Ito. TOA. What is tangent n? Opposite n. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, next. Tan n is equal to, yung opposite natin is n. Ito ang opposite natin. Over adjacent, k. Ganito lang kadali. Okay? Tandaan yan.